Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to improve audio recording quality using Dolby app on Moto G37. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app and click on search and search Dolby app. After search Dolby, click on install. You will see app is installed. After installing, click on open and click on skip. Allow. You will see. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.